How to update Audiate software? First of all, open the Audiate software on your computer. Once it launches, look at the top menu bar and click on the Help option. From the drop-down list, select What's New in Camtasia Audiate. Then, click on See All Released to check the list of available versions. If an update is available, it will be listed here, and you can download the new updated version of Audiate directly from this section. Moreover, if there's an update ready, a pop-up might also appear showing the version details and asking if you'd like to update now. Click Yes or Update and the software will begin downloading the latest version. Make sure your internet connection is active during this step, as the update won't proceed without it. After the download completes, Audiate will guide you through the installation steps. Just follow the on-screen instructions. The software may close and restart automatically during this process. Don't worry, this is completely normal and part of the update routine. Once the update is complete, you can verify it by going back to the Help menu and clicking on About Audiate. This will show you the current version number, confirming that the update was successful. And that's it. Now you know how to update Audiate software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.